get your beats.
HustleDreamProduction.
You can't say I ain't spinning on them. Ooh. What's up, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video I'm basically giving you guys a product update review. Alright, now this is gonna be real quick, just some of the products that I'm using right now. It's a lot of products in the game as far as when it comes to 360 waves that a lot of people are not familiar with. It's a lot of BOBs that came out with product that's really just not out there in stores to where you can buy. So in this video I'm basically gonna share with you guys some of the BOBs that I like to use for my hair texture. Alright, not everything works for everybody, but what works for you may not work for me, and what may work for me may not work for you. So it's all about trying and trial and error. All right, let's go. So all right, let's talk about this product first, all right? The Virgin Babasu Oil. So how I found this product was basically by Glenn Lewis, all right? He's a OG on the Facebook pages. I did a video before basically shouting out this guy, and he really put me on to all natural products. So this product right here is my go-to. This is by far the best product that I've used, and it's all natural. So Virgin Babasu Oil. You can pick this product up at enjoysoapworks.com. The link will be in the description. So speaking on OG Glenn, he has his own product out called MinkMix 2.0. This product right here, it has Virgin Babasu oil in it, but a lot of different oils that work for my hair. I really recommend this. These are basically one of the top products in the game right now. From a personal, a BOB that's really not in stores, you know what I mean? He also came out with a moisturizer, which is fire. I'm talking about this moisturizer. It has a bunch of natural oils in it. It's just, man, when you do the hat man with this product right here, I'm talking about silky smooth. All right, your waves is gonna be hit. But yeah, you can pick this up. He doesn't have a website. You can hit him up on Facebook. Link will be in the description to where you can pick up this product as well. Let's go. Next product is by Tracy Lorraine. He has this dope explosive growth oil that's off the hook. I'm talking about your hair is gonna grow 10 times faster using this product right here, all right? I've been using this for a good year and a half. All right, and this product has been doing me justice. He has a lot of different scents to him, and yeah, it's just probably one of the best oils that I've used. Another product that he has, he did a collab with Waved Up Diva. Basically, it's a moisturizing cream, and it's called the Explosive Growth Cream. Speaking of the collab with Diva, Diva also has her own products. I like the Diva Wet Wet. It's basically on the same lines as MinkMix, all right? So when you get these products, just know they're a lot, it's like one and the same, basically. It's a lot similar when it comes to either the ingredients or, you know what I'm saying, just the texture and the way it applies on your hair. Yeah, this product right here, all of these products is dope. You guys could go to the links in the description below. I'll have Tracy Lorraine's website there. Make sure you check out the links in the description below for all of these products. Next product we have is Mr. Oils and Butters, man. This product right here, like I said, is one and the same. It's just like the MinkMix, Waved Up Diva's product, the Wet Wet. It goes on, rubs in your hand nice and smooth, and it's all basically kind of oil-based products. So he has this one, and this one I recently picked up is the deep conditioner. Now, I tried this deep conditioner a few times and I love the results, and I'm gonna keep purchasing and trying out this product just to, you know what I mean? Because I don't have a real good deep conditioner in my, you know, in my product, you know what I'm saying, in my dang product room, okay? I don't have any deep conditioners, so this is a great deep conditioner. This is a great oil / butter. It's definitely a nice product as well. Mr. Oils and Butters will be linked in the description below. Is my man PB the GOAT. All right, he has a nice all natural product as well. I love this legendary butter. He also has a blueberry fuego. That's fuego. I don't have it right now because I'm all out, you know what I'm saying, and I need to re-up, but he sent me these products right here. Product is dope. I stand by it. It's a nice butter, nice smooth consistency. Definitely an all natural nice product that I recommend as well. Links will be in the description. Shout out to PB for coming out with this product, being a waver that grinded on YouTube just like me, Sir Cruz, and many others. He decided to take that leap of faith and come out with his own product, so salute to him. Now, when it comes to washing your hair, the shampoo that I use, first and foremost, Cito bar, the retro cake. Shout out to Cito 540 for coming out with such a great bar. Now, when I first tried it, you know, her son was hitting me up on Instagram. I was on live with her son on Instagram, and he was like, man, you should try some of this, you know, Nova Naturals retro cake. I was like, what? I went on the site and ordered it just for the love, and man, to my surprise, this is a nice bar, man. It smells super good. It smells like you want to eat it. Pause on that, you know what I'm saying? But it's been a few times that I just wanted to take a bite out of crime, and I had to refrain myself. But this right here is a dope product. Also, shout out to Maisha Ebony for coming out with her product as well. It is a kind of a liquid shampoo, not a liquid shampoo, but like a solid shampoo. This one is called the Orange Mango Sherbet. Her site will be listed in the description below, as well as Cito's. So support these BOBs. That's basically it, man. That's basically. Oh, wait. Don't forget that I'm still on the website. My brushes are still available. Shout out to me though. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, these are the brushes that I'm using. This is what it look like. It comes in a box to where you can put your brush back in it. Boom, the 360 V1. Definitely a brush that, you know what I'm saying, I created, you know what I mean? I drew it up. It's a brush that I feel will take your crown to the next level, being that the tips are, you know what I mean, small enough to get to work in your crown area. The medium and hard will be coming around soon. I have those in the works. Just know I'm still working, creating different designs on different brushes and all of that, man. Like I said, that's the end of the video. Shout out to everybody that, you know what I mean, that was on the list of the BOBs, the products. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to all my all natural team doing too much gang. I appreciate y'all for putting me onto these products. Yeah, links will be in the description. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out.